Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Maya and I dropped off Mila to school and we decided we're going to Animal Kingdom. Yay! So Animal Kingdom has recently become one of our favorite parks to go with Maya and I because although there's not many rides she can do, they do have a lot of animals and there's a lot you can learn, like habitats and different things about their animals and their lives and stuff. So we love coming here, and of course she loves pin trading too. So we're going to be doing both of those things today. Okay, so we just got inside the park. Maya made a little pin trade. Show me your pins. Yeah. And we're gonna go see if we can do you want to do the safari ride first?
Yeah.
All right. Have Christmas stuff out.
It was me.
Whoa, look at this lug bag. It's Mickey Mouse with the Santa hat. And this is the Spirit jersey this year. Whoa. This one's cool. Is this a glow form? Yeah, so this lights up. Oh, I love it when they do the snowman. Oh my gosh, and then these little holiday card packs. These are kind of cute to send out. Oh, Mickey's stocking, and then they have Minnie Mouse right here as well. These are $35. They're soft, huh, baby? And then they have the row here, the magical place. Okay, I just walked into the store and it shocked me that they had all that Christmas stuff out already. I was not expecting that. Okay, it's a little more crowded than I thought it would be today. We did not need a reservation, so I thought it was gonna be kind of nice and easy, but it's pretty packed for a Tuesday morning. We are headed to the conservation station and we need to take a train to get there, and they have a whole animation experience. And they have a little petting zoo with goats, a pig, and some sheep. And Maya really is into this petting zoo since we discovered it. So we love going over here. It's usually a little less crowded than the rest of the park too, which is nice. So let's go. Go in the train? Yeah. Okay.
Arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit all the way back against the bench, and please be sure to watch your children. Asante.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Wildlife Express. Para que tengan
Disney and his animators modeled characters from us, and that includes here Disney.
They have this little thing where you can learn about habitats, and it's a little scavenger hunt, and pretty much it's any of these things could live in like any person's backyard. So Maya's looking for a scavenger hunt, and they have all of these little creatures, not real ones, but just around. What did you find? Yeah, a bat.
I want to circle it.
Okay, go ahead and circle it. Where's the bat? Good job. What is that?
Caterpillar.
Oh yeah, there's a caterpillar. What else? Also, I think that's a hidden Mickey, but it looks more like Oswald. Okay, hold on. So they have these little booklets here at Animal Kingdom, and it's different activities the kids can go around and do. There's a map in here of where you can do all the activities, and you earn your wilderness badges, which are stickers, which is a neat thing for kids to do because you can learn so much about different animals and habitats and things like that. He said to go this way. Woo! Okay, we made it here into the animation experience. Ooh, conservation station. What animals do you see, Maya? Yeah, we made it to the conservation station. Let's go see what's inside.
Okay.
Yeah, this building's so neat because it has all these paintings of different animals. Okay, so in here, oh look, they're making food for the animals, Maya.
They're making some food for the birds right now.
Look, they're making food for the birds. You want to see? Here, I'll hold you. Say, what are they eating?
So this is a little fruit salad. So it's got grapes, apple, honeydew, papaya, and that's cooked sweet potato because the birds don't like uncooked sweet potato,
Okay.
so I cook it for them.
That's nice.
Then you want to see some fun stuff over there. I put some pictures on the table of our fall nursery that we have coming out.
Oh,
So
that's
pumpkins.
cool.
Also, ginger roach is Christmas, so you know. It was also good. I didn't have a choice, but I'm gonna say the pumpkins are so cute.
Can you find the snake?
Like mostly holiday.
Can you find it? Yeah, it's sleeping, huh? Okay, let's see what else. See the tarantulas? What about this one here? Can you see it in there?
know. You want to come live with me?
Yeah, there's the bugs in there. You see them?
Yeah. Here.
Right there.
Go find Auntie Rachel.
Can you see them sleeping?
I see it up here.
This one's an axolotl. It's a black Yeah, look, you see it in there? It's all the way in the back. And do you see these frogs? Yeah, they're yellow and black. They're all over the place.
Yeah.
What about these?
Oh, they're green.
Yeah, these are green. If you ever see these, you don't touch them, okay?
Okay.
These are poisonous.
Pulling that tooth?
So they have a porcupine that they're working on their teeth. The porcupine's at the dentist. So you could see it here too. They're working on the teeth. That's pretty cool. They have a porcupine and they're working on possibly a tooth extraction, but they're right there and we get to see it, and that's kind of neat for Maya because she's really been into like doctors and dentists recently. And every time we've been here, we haven't seen any animals being there getting any work done. So that's kind of neat. There's somebody telling you what's going on and you can be there and watch it. Do you want to go do now?
Pet a goat.
I thought you wanted to do drawing.
And the dog.
We do drawing first?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we going to draw?
Something. Yeah.
Maleficent. This is what we're going to be drawing next. At 10:45, these are the times that you can come to do different drawings.
Okay.
You got? Yeah. You need help? Perfect. So the neat thing is, since Maya's little, they also hand out these coloring sheets with some crayons in case she wants to do that instead. And then here is our Maleficent as a dragon starting point. So they give you these papers with these guidelines already on here to help make it a little easier. Maya's got started already, and she made a person next to it.
We'll focus on the right one first, which means where's it going to connect to the head? So we're going to draw from here down to the second guideline. And again, if you really just want to kind of sketch it out first, as you add it out to the right.
Okay, so that's so much fun getting to draw these. They always look so hard and intricate to do, but then they make it so easy when they do the step-by-step. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Maya's drawing and her coloring.
Yeah.
They also do photos with like Rafiki or Timon in there. But Maya didn't want to do those, so we skipped it, but they do have that option. What are you eating?
Japanese.
Yeah, we're having a little snack break with some strawberries and blueberries. Okay, go.
We're going to pet a goat. We're going to pet a goat.
Hi.
I was gonna say, they get a little bit. Can you get a side? Just don't touch them on their heads or faces.
Okay.
Don't feed them anything or chase them. And on the way out, wash your hands for us.
Thank you. You hear that?
Yeah.
So not their face and not their heads, okay? And no chasing goats. They have their own little playground.
This isn't bad. We're not. We're letting the animals out, but they're not letting this.
Yay!
Have fun having your food, buddy.
Touch there.
Why do you like that?
Why not?
Can you brush it?
The sheep's soft. All right, come on, here's the exit. Here, I'll give you soap. Here you go. Wash your hands. I'll help you, Mommy.
Is that a piece of snail hanging out of his mouth on the side?
Okay, so we just got off of the train ride to come back to the park. And right when we got off, there was a really cool pin board. It was a Simba pin board. And Maya did a little bit of pin trading. So now we're just gonna walk around. It is a little bit crowded today. You got wet? Maya found these little water spouts that she started playing in. I always bring her a change of clothes, so that's all right. Okay, pro tip, I always bring these little Ziploc bags. And this is not the super big one, it's just the size bigger than the sandwich bag, because now her clothes is wet, but it will not get everything else in my bag wet. But also if it rains, then that would keep the other clothes dry. So, okay, and the safari ride is like 40 minutes right now, which is kind of too long for me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go do the walking trail to go see the tigers. Okay, so up first, we could see some bats hanging up there on the tree. Can you see them, baby? Up on the tree. You see them? They're upside down. Did you like seeing that tiger? It was sleeping, huh? Hey, there's a tiger on your dress. See Tigger? Okay, and that was so much fun looking at all of those animals, especially the tigers. They were sleeping, but we got to see them this time because sometimes they hide and they're hard to see. We are making our way out now, and it is perfect timing because I see some gray clouds forming, which means it's gonna start to storm. It is 1 p.m. and just enough time to not have to rush and then go pick up Mila. Right there, look. You see her? Right here. Cool, huh? We're almost out of the park and the wind just picked up, and I'm scared that on our way to our car, because I walk and don't take the tram, it's gonna start storming. Okay, we're almost at the car and it is drizzling. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely drizzling. It's sprinkling all over me. So as you guys can tell, I made it just in time, because right when you see the great cloud, the storm is coming. Even my car got wet on the inside. Okay. We had so much fun though. So thank you so much for joining us today at Animal Kingdom. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.